Chris has been begging me for ages to swap wheels with him.
Begging?
So today is the day we are swapping our wheels for like 2 days.
Oh yeah, it doesn't do the beep. So we can swap wheels. It's raining. It's the best time. My jack only just fits. I have no idea what we're going to do about that car. I feel like he's going to piss it down.
It is. Can you not see already? It's raining.
Look at the car. Oh dear. We choose our times, don't we?
Gotta do the little test.
Huh?
Gotta do the little test.
Gotta give it a little test. Every time. Wow, it really feels like it's about to absolutely like rain the heavens
It's getting
down.
bad. It's actually getting heavy rain. It's actually getting heavy rain now.
Maybe this is the sign for us to like hold fire for a minute. Do I need the other jack? I do, don't I?
Yeah.
So we can actually like do stuff.
Now we're using the sketchy jack. This very sketchy jack. To jack at my car. You get the nice jack,
yeah.
and I get the dodgy one.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
You've got miles. I'm not as privileged with accessibility as you
Accessibility.
are. Yeah. Oh, oh.
Yeah. That's why I never use that for...
What?
I would never gun them off.
What, because you're afraid that that'll be left over?
Yeah.
That's from over tightening them.
Okay.
That's not me.
Yeah, I know it's not you. I feel like the car is going to move majorly. Oh, the car is shaking, Chris. That's not stable. That is not stable. No, that is not stable. Don't laugh. That's not funny. No, absolutely not. Absolutely not. Oh my God, stop shaking the car.
That's so stable.
That is not stable at all.
That's so stable. What?
I'm so scared right now. I'm actually so scared.
Why?
This is terrifying. I don't know what's going to happen to my car.
What do you mean what's going to happen to your car?
Because it's wobbling right now. Has now been jacked up with the non-sketchy jack, mister. So now it should be fine.
We'll just do my car with the sketchy jack instead.
Yeah, we will. I'll put you through what I just went through.
It's not that
Pure
dodgy.
fear.
It's not that
Pure
dodgy.
fear. Honestly, it's such a nightmare.
Yeah.
Yeah. Chris has just realised that he might have to have my wheel nuts on his car. For reference, my wheel nuts are this colour. How do you feel about that? What's wrong with my wheel nuts? What is wrong with my wheel nuts? Go on, speak. What is wrong with my wheel nuts?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing's wrong with them.
We are just taking my spacers off, which have never come off before. So you're having a great time right now.
I'm gonna have a great time because they're gonna be seized to fuck.
I know. I know. Scared.
If I had my 3-ton, this would be easy.
Would it?
Yeah.
Why didn't you bring that?
Oh, let me just take a rain check on that question, shall we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we thought we weren't going to be able to do it because we didn't want to jack any of our cars up sketchily, but then we remembered I have a spare tyre. So it's all go again.
I was thinking, if we had another set of wheels.
See, and you nearly made me take this out.
Yeah.
Could you imagine if we didn't have one?
Away.
Could you imagine if we didn't have one? We wouldn't be able to do this.
I wouldn't tell you to get rid of it. This is going to be so flat. Oh look!
What's
Can I
that?
put that in front? Do you know what that is?
No. My keys have just fallen off. What is that?
Wheel chucks.
Oh! No way.
Yeah.
No way.
From the original.
Yeah. Now we're matching because somebody doesn't have a handbrake right now. Wonder who that would be. Have I just got the one, yeah?
Huh?
I just got the one, yeah?
Yeah. Look, hub-centric. You're not hub-centric with those wheels.
Oh, yeah, I see now.
Hub-centric, get it?
Hub-centric, yeah. Duh.
Wrong way again, isn't it? No? These really don't like to go on though.
No, I know. The way that looks with the spare wheel right now has me sent. Okay, my wheel is off and now Chris is taking his wheel off and we're gonna swap. I don't think my car will look good with your wheels.
You don't know?
You've got the better end of the deal.
I don't know.
I don't know. I don't. What?
It'll be alright. It's gonna look great.
I don't know. I feel like it's gonna look weird because
great.
I've already got a black car and I'm putting black wheels on it.
How do you think I'd feel with a green car with black wheels?
I know, right?
People then think my car actually is black.
What was that noise?
Just the jack seating itself. We're fine. We're alright. Don't worry about it. Forget about it. Hey, forget about it. You're going to see my custom spaces in a minute.
Yeah? Highly modified spaces.
We don't talk about modifying spaces. That's not a good idea. I have loads of spare wheel nuts.
Yeah?
Like, yeah.
Okay.
But they're short wheel nuts, so I don't know if they'll work, but
Okay.
they should do. They're just short, low profile, so they look nicer. Modified wheel spaces.
What? Oh no, they look so good.
Do they actually?
Yeah, they look so good on your car.
Hang on.
They look so good. I love that.
Do you know what the worst thing is?
What?
Those wheel spaces will work for those wheels.
Yeah.
The original wheel spaces that were on here would have worked for these wheels.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Damn it.
Without modification. You don't have centre caps, do you?
No. Only on some of them. Chris, oh my god.
Although,
Do you like it?
yeah. That rub though,
That rub. The fitment though.
I'd have to roll that,
Yeah.
maybe. It might just not scrape, you know.
No, that looks so good. That actually looks so good. No.
Although that doesn't look like it sits as far in the arch as mine, does it?
No. I don't know if your wheels will look good on my car. I'm not sure now. I hope they look alright.
That wheel nut is so bad.
I know.
My knee in the shot.
I'm nervous now.
Mm?
I'm nervous for how this is going to look. Okay, I actually don't think I'm going to hate it. I think it'll look alright next to the side skirts being white as well. Are they going to fit with the spacer?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Although you won't be able to put the centre cap on. Oh, this better not fuck my thing.
Exactly, don't. If it's going to fuck yours, don't. No, don't risk it. Don't risk it.
To be fair, that... Oh.
Oh no.
Where's the paint chip?
Okay, do you know what? I'm not hating it. I'm not disliking it. I think it looks good next to the side skirts being white because it like breaks it up a little bit.
Yeah.
Because if the car was all black and had black wheels, I don't feel like I'd like that as much. I don't know. It's not the worst thing in the world. There's worse wheels.
I think there's worse wheels.
You know what I mean.
I don't know, I kind of dig it on your car.
That's only because you want my wheels.
No.
A little bit. A little bit.
I think it'll look good on your car.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put them on, lower it back down, and see how they
Put
look.
what on?
The wheel.
What, on yours?
Yep,
Okay.
we're doing it.
But it's going to have weird wheel nuts sticking out of it.
That's fine, I'm committed to this now.
Yeah?
Yeah. I
Just
can
this-
send it on there.
Just this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
What do we think? I don't know, you know. I like my wheels better.
I think it'll look fine on your car, you know.
Chris.
Yeah?
I want my wheels back. No, come back. I want my wheels back.
They look so good on the car.
Yeah? Yeah, mine look good on your car, but mine also look good on my car.
No, I think these look good on your car as well.
Chris.
I think these look good on your car as well. I think they look good. I think they look good. I think your mindset might change when you have the full set. Your mindset might change when you have the full set.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What, because you want the full set of my wheels?
No. I mean, does it not look clean?
Oh, it does, and I hate the fact it does. I hate the fact that it looks good.
That's
Because
really
they're
good.
mine.
I take your shoes, you take my shoes, yeah?
No, I want my shoes back.
I like that. My shoes. It looks good though, doesn't it? Oh, it looks really good. I don't know, Lex. I don't know.